How to redeem code in Knives Out. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you want to receive free rewards like outfits, coins, or in-game items in Knives Out, then you can easily redeem your code. First of all, launch Knives Out on your device and wait until you reach the main lobby screen. Once you're inside the lobby page, go to the bottom left corner and tap the blue button. In the pop-up, select Pack. Inside the pack page, you'll see the Redeem Gifts tab where you can enter your redemption code in the text box. Write down your redemption code exactly as it appears in the text box. You can also paste it in if you've copied that. Make sure to paste your Knives Out redeem code exactly as it is. And once done, you can click on the redeem button in bottom right to redeem your codes. So that's how you can easily do it. Now you can go ahead and claim your rewards and enjoy your upgraded gameplay experience if you've entered the correct code. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.